Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to create a template for the Rain Pops labels, and I'm also going to show you how to create a design for them. So if you're interested in learning how to create this template, make sure you watch the video to the end. Also, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos. And also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go to custom dimensions, or you can select the shortcut link, which is the certificate, but you can go to custom dimensions here. You want to make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 11 by 8.5, and click create a new design. So once your blank canvas pulls up, you want to go over to elements, select your shape. Our template is going to be divided up in 3 different shapes. Our first shape, we want it to be 4.8 inches across and 2.8 inches in height. Next, we want to duplicate this. We're going to make it a different color for now. We want it to be the same in width, but we want the height to be 1.9 inches. Next, we want to duplicate it and move it over. And there we have it. We have our template. You can fit at least 2 templates on a page. We can group this together and duplicate it. So as you can see, we can fit at least 2 templates on the page. And from here, you can just start creating your design. Head on over to Google and search for the Rain Pop logo if you want to use it in your design. Right, for those of you who are interested in the pre-made template for the Rain Pop labels, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. And at this point in the video, I'm using the pre-made template, the same template that we just created. I just already have everything set up for you and ready to use. I also uploaded the Rain Pop logos, and I also included a couple more different colors for you all. From here, we can just start creating our design. We can click each section of the design. If we wanted to change the colors, we can. And if we didn't want to use this color logo, we can scroll down here, right click, copy, go back up, we can paste it, and we can add the new color here. You can head on over to the upload tab here and upload any of the clip arts, backgrounds, or photos that you want to use in your design. I have already uploaded all of my clip arts and different elements that I think I may want to use. My screen may look a bit different than yours because I have Canva Pro. I'm able to save my clip arts into different folders to keep them organized. But no worries, if you don't have Pro, you can find everything that you just uploaded under the Uploads tab. Okay, so once you finish your first label, unless you want two different labels, you can start with your second label, or you can group everything together on your first label, highlight it, group together, and select duplicate, and just move it over. From here, we can print, go up to the download tab. We want the file type to be a PDF. Select the page you want to print and select done. Tip: if you're going to be printing photo or the brochure glossy paper, you want to make sure your printing settings are correct. I'm going to be printing on my HP printer, and when I'm using the glossy photo paper or the brochure paper, my paper type needs to be selected as photo paper, and the quality needs to be set to best. Alright guys, here's how it looks once your labels are printed out. I'm using the glossy photo paper. I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. I have my ring pops here. I'm going to be using double-sided tape. I also got this tape off of Amazon, but you can use your hot glue gun. And you're going to need some scissors. Alright guys, I think they came out super cute. If you're interested in the pre-made Ring Pops label template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. I hope you all found this video helpful. This was a pretty easy template to create. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post more templates. Leave me a comment down below about any future video ideas you all would like to see on the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.